Hi, this is Dr. Hara, and I'm going to pick up with part 2 of the writing tips for your proposal. In the last segment, we put the running head and the page numbers in. You return 7 times and put in the title of your paper, along with the university, your name, and the date in this style here. Then you return, and on page 2, which we already had put in the header, that's where we started, the first line on the page is the table of contents. Then you're going to return so that this is a double space, and page number is, the word page is going to be on the right hand side. Notice how I used this margin so that this would line up perfectly. The E in page lines up perfectly with the 2, which lines up with the 1-inch mark, and then all the numbers line up under the E in page. Then I'm going to double space, I'm going to put in the introduction, double space, put in the different subheadings in the introduction, discussion, and the references. Notice this is all double spaced. It's not extra spaces, and if you don't go into the header and check off, don't click off the don't add space between paragraphs of the same style, it ends up being triple spaced, and that's not what you want. So that is the table of contents. Then you're going to space down, and page 3 is going to start the body of the paper. So the first line on the page is going to be the title of the paper that's on the title page. Then you're going to have introduction, which is a level 1 heading. Then you're going to have statement of the problem, which is a level 2 heading. Then you're going to start the paragraph with the 1/2 inch indent and give a statement of the problem, which is why this topic is worthy of study. Notice in this particular paper that was given to me by Dr. Danielson, I have a citation here that has 2 references in it. And the first time you have 3 to 5 authors' names. Here I have 5 names. You spell all the names out using the ampersand. And notice how I have a semicolon here, and now I've got a reference with 3 names in it. The next time I will be able to say Kramer et al., comma 2008, and Peterson et al., comma 2007. But the first time this is correct, and if since you cannot have parentheses back to back, anything you want to put into the parentheses is separated by the semicolon. Next is the purpose of the paper, and the purpose of the paper is to find out what is new about your topic, since we are going to be writing papers that are similar to review articles. Next is going to be the research questions. This is still a level 2 heading. And then I would like you to put your research questions or just your question in this paragraphs in a style. Paragraphs in a series is what I meant to say. And so this is, once again, double spaced. There's no extra spaces here. Here's the first question. Starts with a capital letter, ends with a punctuation mark like a period or question mark, and then double spaced, put in the next section. As I say here down on the next page, if your sentence is going to overflow, then it comes out left flush. This is why it's called paragraphs in a series, is because it's indented like a paragraph, and then the overflow is left flush like a paragraph, so it looks like a paragraph. Sometimes you need to turn off the automatic numbering in order to accomplish this. I'm going to stop here and pick up with the next section.